won't let go.
Hello and welcome back to Rich Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at my TT. It has a problem with opening. It doesn't work. You can hear it click, but it doesn't actually do anything. You have to use the key to open the door. And what it is the mechanism in there. So I've ordered a new one, which is here. I've got one for each side, because the only button that opens at the moment is the boot. So the actual remote's okay, it starts the car up okay. So what we need to do is take this door card off. Now, there's only two screws, I believe. And one's behind here, and the other one is up under there. So we got to undo that. Try to get focus on there. There you go, that hole there. So I'll have a look up in there, see what size screw it is. I expect it's the same as what's under here, under this speaker look panel, and then we can pop the card off and start the next bit. So I'll have a go at taking those off and let you know what torques it needs. Okay, so I've removed the door card. So it was only the two screws that I said, T30, one there, one down there, and then what you need to do is just unclip around the door, just using a plastic remover thing. There's some that have come out, so I've just got to clip those back in, and then that'll be fine. Now I've undo this here, that was just pull that out, push that, and it popped out. So the only next thing to do is obviously trace this cable in there and undo those torques on the end there, and that way you can you still got to use this part here, because obviously that's part of the mechanism to open the door. So next job is to obviously start to undo this, and then we can remove the rest of the door card. Okay, so the next job is to pull these clips off, and all you do is shove your plastic down there where those markers are, which are there, all around. So all you do is push that in and it unclips, and then now we got access to that mechanism. So now all we got to do is remove the screws there, which are torques as well, and then that can be taken out, and then we swap the part over that we need to be able to fit that. I've undone those, they're M8. Okay, so I've taken the other door card off to do the other side, and what I've noticed is on this side your electrics have 4 pins, and on the other side you have 6. So this side is gonna work, but the other side, the driver's side, I've ordered another one because they've got 5 or 6 pins in them. But we'll swap this one over. This is quite simple, now we've got used to it. These clips, they pop out, so you've got to push them right in so that they clasp, and then that way when you put your door card on, see over there they've pushed themselves out, so you have to push them all the way back in again for them to seal. I'll show you when I go to put this one back on. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on unplugging these, taking those bits off, and then I can swap it over for the new one. So yeah, just remember, passenger door has 6, and on the driver side it's 8. Okay. Right, well I've got my right part now coming in less than 24 hours to get delivered, which is good. It's £50 for this one, but this is the correct part which we need, I believe. Yep. Oh, wait a minute, hang on a sec. They sent the wrong bloody one again. No, that's the right one. Right amount of connectors, so that's good. Yeah, so there's the bit where the key lock goes in, so that's good. So this one should fit in quite nicely. we got to try and get it up in that corner to fit the key mechanism part in, but we'll give that a go now. So we just got to unclip that yellow one, so that just turns. Easier this way. Yeah, so that one turns like that one comes. Okay, so I've undone the M8 socket set there, undone those screws, so that makes it easier to access. So as you can see with that white clip, you just turn it, so clip that, and then we can undo that plug. I'll show you after. Okay, so we've undone that now. That's the old mechanism now. So yeah, green cable, which is this one, clips into there, using that plastic clip, and then the other one, the black, goes into this one here. Now this, you need to get that up onto that part up there that you can see at the top there, that metal bit sticking out, that black part there. That's what's going to go into there, enabling you to turn the lock and lock it. So next job is to fit the new one back in and get it level up with that area there. Should be a lot easier now because we've got the right part, so that's the next. Okay, so it's a lot easier to do it when it's unplugged. So plug your leads up first, that one's first, and then your yellow one's at the back there. Okay, so plug that one in first, which is there, and then your yellow one is in as well, and then we can push that up the top there and get that connected into that top black part up there, so you can open the door again with the lock. Okay, so it's all buttoned up now, so let's test the door, make sure it works. So shut the door. Before I can open it with the handle, but now it opens. And now when we lock it, it's locked, and then open. My door card's still getting caught, but I'll sort that out now. But at least that worked, so I don't need to worry about not getting in the car anymore. So thanks for watching, and come back for more reviews or fixes in the near future.